Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a mini octopus. I used 3mm crochet hook. First we make a magic ring like this. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. We should make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. After 6 single crochet, tie the yarn like this and close our magic ring. With a slip stitch, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. In round 2, we should make in each stitch 2 single crochet. Insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. In the next stitch, 2 single crochet like this. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we should have 12 single crochet, and into the first stitch we should make a slip stitch like this and close it. In round 3, we should make a single crochet in the first stitch like this, and into the next stitch we should make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. We should follow this pattern, 1 single crochet in one stitch, and next stitch 2 single crochet in the same stitch like this. In the end we should have 18 stitch. And in the end, close it with a slip stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull through. Round 4 started, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, next stitch again 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet in the same stitch. We should follow this pattern for round 4 like this. Next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch again 1 single crochet, next stitch 2 single crochet in the same stitch. In the end we should have 24 stitch. In round 5 we should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet, and row 5 to row 9 we should follow this pattern. In each stitch just 1 single crochet. After row 9 we should make octopus legs, so chain 8 like this and skip 1 chain and start from second stitch and make a single crochet. Next stitch again a single crochet, next stitch again a single crochet, next stitch a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops like this. Again next stitch a half double crochet, again next stitch a half double crochet, and next stitch a half double crochet. 3 chains single crochet and 4 chains half double crochets. Okay, should skip 1 stitch and next stitch a slip stitch like this, and again next stitch a slip stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and again chain 8 like this. Start from second chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, a single crochet, again next a single crochet, next stitch a single crochet, next 4 chain, just half double crochet in 1 stitch like this, again yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops, again a half double crochet, again a half double crochet, give 1 stitch and slip stitch into next stitch, and again a slip stitch into the next. We should have 8 legs. In the end, a slip stitch and tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor. Tied it nice, and you can hide the yarn like this, so easy. And just cut it with your scissor. Next, we make our octopus eyes. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Between row 5 and row 6, insert our piece of yarn, and like this, as you can see, this is so easy. And we make it twice like this, and just tie 2 pieces of yarn twice like this, and just cut it with your scissor. We count 1, 2, 3 and place another eye.